So you start off with numbers 1 through 36. Now usually a roulette table will have the single zero and double zero. This version it doesn't have that. Just numbers 1 through 36. Each number is either a red or a black color. And we have odd or even. So to play roulette, you will need two things. You will need to place your bet. So these are the options to place a bet. Single number bet, meaning you're betting on a single number. A double number bet would be you're picking two numbers, which is also called a split. Then we have a three-number bet, a four-number bet, a six-number bet, a 12-number bet, an 18-number bet, a color bet, and an odd or even bet. Now each of these bets, there are different payouts for each one of them. So you need to select the type of bet and then the amount that you want to bet on. So the minimum is $1. So you can do $1, do whatever you want, let's say $80. Now notice here, when I put 80, I close this dialog box, the chip turns into that number that I typed in for the amount. So I'm going to play a single number bet. I put $5 for the amount, and I want to place a chip on the number 3. So the chip is moved over here automatically. So now I can set the time that it takes to produce the winning number. So 10 seconds, it will show a winning number here. The winning number is 2. Since it's winning number, it shows up in green in the roulette table. Notice we have cold numbers that appear. Since 2 was a winning number, it's not a cold number. All the other numbers are cold because they haven't been a winning number yet. Now if I keep producing winning numbers, eventually I will get to what's called a hot number. See, 4 is a hot number because it shows up more than once as a winning number. So that's how you play roulette overall.